What's up, guys? It's Reina Raquel, and I'm here with my nephew. We unwrapped one of his Christmas gifts, which is the Smaster's Monster Trucks. Really good hands-on activity to do with your boys. And just stay tuned for this video, because you get to watch how excited he was to do this. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Much love. Peace. What's pretty cool about this is each bag contained an item or an accessory to build your truck, which included street tar, slime, sand, tires, car parts, everything you need to build. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome, if you may say.
Like the street, so we know. All right, let's see.
Look, the monster can
Slime.
Oh, safety cones.
What the heck is that?
Slime.
You gotta take the bag, okay?
Show the camera, show the camera.
So that's going on, and then we'll definitely. Whoa, we are wall. There you go. Good job.
Oh, wow.
You gonna put them in there? Let's show the camera. This is like a truck and a dinosaur.
Look, I got a truck and a guy. A truck and a guy.
Super real.